Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today is package day. That's right, package day. Today, you can see it comes from Penn Foster, the school I'm attending right now. So let's see what they sent me. Oh, package days. They're so fun. Let's see what we got here. Looks like, oh, nice. More tea, gummy tea turn, huh? Oh, there's the keys, nice. Okay, cool. More tea cylinder. Looks like we have, ooh, they sent some picks. Rake. Oh, that's cool. Penny tweezers. Oh, that sucks. Okay, this is some interesting stuff here. This is for a quick set, must be. Let's see, we got this here. Beauty strength quick set. Oh, nice little doorknob. Oh, that's cool. Nice. That's pretty cool. Last but not least, the box. Using the box, I wonder. Oh, sounds like a pinning kit. Oh, oh, nice. Awesome, awesome. Oh, check that out, y'all. Pinning kit. Effing sweet. So badass. Well, I got some treats here now. Their picks are a little bit odd though. All of this is kind of, I don't know. Wait and see. Let's see what kind of these are. HPC. Yep, HPC. Got a little rake there, and a half ball, and this is so you can gauge your key. Put it in there. See, like this is a 3. This is a 2. See what it looks like. So anyway, that's how that goes. Well, thank you guys for watching. This is awesome. Again, like I said, this comes from Penn Foster, the school online course I'm taking. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.